Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 5, essay about student-posed obstacles to student success, 120 points, 1,000 words. Okay, so what does this mean? Student-posed obstacles to student success? It means problems students cause for themselves when they're in school, problems that they cause that may result in failing a class or earning a low grade. Okay, so let's survey this assignment together. Here at the top, we have this video about this assignment, and this is a video that you are watching and listening to now. Scrolling down, let's see what we have. We have 5 links, and I will be clicking on one of these links and reading it to you, the due dates, so you're aware of assignment due dates. But I'm going to ask you to read these 4 links on your own: the requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose. All right, let's move down and see what else we have. We have a part 1 for this assignment, and we also have a part 2, and we have a works cited, 3 articles here for you to read, and we have help with quoting because you will be quoting in this assignment. Okay, so let's scroll up and I'm going to read part 1 with you. I'm going to maximize the screen a little bit so you can see it more clearly. Okay, part 1. For a targeted reader group of your choice, teachers, students, parents, administrators, politicians, 1. Write a 3 to 4 page essay, 750 to 1,000 words, in which you make a contention about how student success is affected, is influenced by a student's self-concept. What's a self-concept? It's a mental image one has of oneself. Okay, let's go back into the discussion directions. I have a little thought for you here. Does society influence a person's self-concept for better or worse? Okay. The second direction, support your thesis for a persuasive purpose. Something that you want to persuade readers must be done in order to prevent students from becoming obstacles to their own success. In other words, write an essay with a rhetorical focus. If you do not know what a rhetorical focus is, please view the video below. And this is the video, developing a rhetorical focus for an essay. And our third direction, quote from at least 2 of the sources listed in the works cited below. And these sources are, and I'm just minimizing the screen so we can see them clearly, right here. Okay, so let's move up now and let's look at our due dates. Making these due dates bigger. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you're not able to make these due dates, come over here to inbox and email me as soon as possible. Let me know why you won't be able to submit the assignment on time, and let's have a conversation, and I'll try to work with you. All right, I'm clicking on the back arrow, going back into the assignment. Discussion 5. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. You're never bothering me when you email me. You're never emailing me too much. You need to email me as many times as you need to in order to understand the assignment. And I do love to hear from you. I care about your learning deeply. Okay, so let's get started on discussion 5.